Okay, this is the start of our math lesson. I would like you to build this number, the number 72, with base 10 blocks first. Okay, so I want you to build the number 72 with base 10 blocks first. Okay. Then, okay, so I want you to do this one first. Okay. Then on that same board or piece of paper, I want you to build the number 10 with base 10 blocks. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I had to grab a coat. I am cold. And the gloves on my hand because my fingers are frozen. Oh, the struggles.
Mackenzie?
Okay, I need everyone to mute themselves in 3, 2, 1. Don't forget I'm recording on this other computer. Alrighty. When you're finished, put both their hands on your head and stick out your tongue.
Tongue.
Jameson, I won't be able to see your tongue because you're wearing a mask, but that's okay. Still put both your hands on your head. So, like, see? You look like this. Good job, Jameson. Oh, I'm seeing lots of tongues. And lots of heads, hands on heads. Oh, I almost said heads on hands. That would have been weird. A little discombobulated, but that's okay. Alrighty, show me your work in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Let's see how y'all did. Oh, you guys are rock stars. You guys are rock stars. I was afraid I was going to trip you up. Alrighty. I see a couple mistakes, so let's go over. Who could tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw for the number 72? Who could tell me? Josie. Josie, go for it, girl.
No, 7 10s.
I'm going to draw 7 10s here or here?
The T.
Under the T, that's right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7. Okay. Who could tell me how many 1s I'm going to draw for the number 72? Will I am. Help me, dude.
2.
2. That's right. And I'm going to put them over here or over here?
On the right side.
Under the 1s, right? Or the 0. Or not the 0, the O. Right. 1, 2. Right. Good job. So if I counted these, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? 71, 72. So I have 72. Alrighty. Now, that is correct. Who could tell me how many 10s I'm going to draw for the number 10? Who could tell me? Darren.
1 10.
110. Where does it go?
The left.
The left, under the T, right? And a 10 is a stick. Now, who could tell me how many 1s I'm going to draw? Allie J.
0.
I'm going to draw 0, 1. So that means I'm drawing nothing, right? Am I drawing something? Yes or no? I'm not drawing anything. You're right. Because if I counted this, I would count 10. And that's my number here. I have 1 10 and 0 ones, the number 10. Okay, I saw some people draw a 1s here, but you don't draw anything there. Alrighty, let's jump into our word problem a day keeps the worries away. Okay, remember we solve a word problem a day to help us get better with our problem solving, our critical thinking skills, and then by the end of first grade, word problems will just come like that. You'll be like, a word problem, that's easy. Alrighty, so we have 2 friends in our word problem today. Brock has 9 toy trains. That's so cool, Brock. George has 5 toy trains. How many more toy trains does Brock have than George? So George, that's pretty cool. You got 5. Brock has 9, you have 5, and we want to know how many more Brock has than you, George.
That's not true. I have like 100.
Well, this is just a word problem I made up. So,
Okay.
Brock has 9 toy trains and George has 5 toy trains. How many more toy trains does Brock have than George? Now, what are the 3 things I need to show to solve this word problem? What are the 3 things I need to show? Who could give me one? Cameron.
Equation.
1 is an equation. Good job, kiss your brain. 1 is an equation. The E stands for elephants to help us remember. Who could give me the second one we need or another one that we need? What's the second one we need or another one we need? George, are you raising with your elbow? No? Aubrey.
Answer.
That would be the last one we need to do, right? And what's the second thing we need? Who remembers? Darren, do you remember?
The strategy.
A strategy. That's right. We need to see a strategy. Now our equation. In our equation, can we just pop the answer in there if we solve it in our head? No. We need a symbol for the unknown number. And what we've been doing is we've been making a square, right? So we've been making a square for a symbol for our unknown number. Okay, so we know that Brock has 9 toy trains, right? How many does George have, George? How many you got, George? 5! He has 5 toy trains. Now, we want to know how many more Brock has than George. So typically when we hear the word more, we're thinking addition, right? We're thinking addition. But if we want to figure out what the difference is between Brock's toy trains and George's toy trains, we're going to need to subtract. So 9 minus 5 equals unknown. Another way to write this equation, and we've talked about this before because there's 2 different ways. You could also say that since George has 5, we want to know how many more, so how many from 5 to get to 9, right? So 5 plus unknown equals 9. I'm going to solve this equation over here because the way we solve how many more, so everyone should be writing this down with me. I should see pencils ferociously writing. Okay? Is we want to see, I'm going to make Brock's toys trains red and George's green. They're going to be Christmas colors. So Brock has 9. So I'm going to draw 9 circles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, you line them up in a nice, organized, neat row. Oop, I'm stepping on some cords. And then for George's, you line his up directly underneath of Brock's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we want to know how many more he has. So how many is left in this space that George doesn't have? So remember, you draw the lines down from the top circle to the empty space, and you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many more trains does Brock have than George? How many, Jack? 4. He was excited to answer that question. He has 4 more. Okay? Because 9 minus 5 equals 4, and 5 plus 4 equals 9. Do you see how to do that one? We'll keep practicing those. Alrighty, good. We're doing something a little bit different today. Okay, so today for your seesaw activity, and I'm going to actually go over that first, and then we're going to do some rapid fire practice. Okay? So for your seesaw activity today, you will see a bunch of different pictures. Okay? You'll see addition pictures, and then you'll see subtraction pictures. For your addition pictures, you'll have hot air balloons. You will take the hot air balloons in the first picture and put them under the first number. You'll take the hot air balloons in the second picture and put them in your second add-end position. And then you'll add both together to find the sum. So for example, there's 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, so like for this one here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I believe. Yep, 10. So you would put the number 10 here. Okay, then there's only 1 here. So it's 10 plus 1. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to count on, or you could count them all in all to find this, count them all to find the sum. Woo, that sounded weird. 10, 11. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Super simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? So that's how you do the addition ones. I also want to go over the subtraction ones real quick, and then we're going to do our rapid fire challenge. Okay? These ones here are snails, and they're subtraction. So they're a little bit different. Okay? So for example, right here, you have to count how many snails there are in all. They already X'd them out for you. But you have to count how many are in all first. So see, let's do this one together. So there's so many that aren't X'd out, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that are X'd out. But you have to count the total number of snails in the grass first. So I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 snails total. Okay? Then I'm going to count how many are X'd out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then I'm going to count how many are left not X'd out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you see how I do that? Nod your head yes if you see how I did that. It should be easy peasy lemon squeezy, but I wanted to go over it. Okay. Okay. I'm actually going to sit nice and close to you because I want to see if you can solve these equations. I hope you can see this pen. Probably not. Let me go get a black one. I took my black one home yesterday. Woo, this marker is cold because it's near my open window. Okay, are you ready? Pencils or markers at the ready? Are you sure? Do you have your thinking caps on? Are your brains ready? Who needs some brain power? Oh, okay. Zzz. You got some brain power? Okay. Let me move this. Turn in, y'all, so you can see a little bit better. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. First one is super hard. Get ready. I would like to see a picture and an answer to this equation. It's really hard. Get ready. Really hard. Once you have it, show it to me. I want a picture and the answer. 2 plus 1 equals unknown. I want to see a picture. I want to see a picture and an answer. Alani, I need to see you, girly. There you go.
I know this. Why do we do one more time?
You show me. Remember, this is like lightning round. Yes, yes. Yes! Good job.
That's not a hard one.
I know, I was being silly.
That was way too easy.
I know, I was being silly.
Do 100 plus 100. I thought you really meant it. I thought it was 170.
3 plus 3 equals unknown.
Yeah, 3 plus 3 is... Wait, no.
I need to see a picture.
Ooh.
I need to see the picture and the answer. And then once you finish, show it to me. Woo! Emma's rolling. She rolling in quickness. Yes, Jack. Yes, Aubrey. I need to see a picture too, not just an answer. Yes, Acacia. Ooh, I love how you organized that, Acacia. Yeah, Josie. Work, work. Noah, you gotta hold it still, man. You're moving all over the place. Good, Noah. Yeah, Jet. Alrighty, good job. Let's go to the next one.
Make it 100 plus 100.
Maybe we'll do some hard problems in math small group today, Jack, okay? 5 plus 1 equals unknown. I need to see a picture, not just an answer. Woo! Emma's on fire. Ooh, a number bond. Nice, Acacia. Yes. Yes, Miss Alice. Love it. Yes, Aubrey. Yes, Allie J. Woo, Jameson. Nice. Alrighty, this one's a little more challenging. You ready for a challenging one?
Who got this reminding?
This one's a little challenging. 10 plus 10 equals unknown. Not going to be able to count this one on your fingers. That's why I need to see a picture. See a lot of you going like this. I want to see a picture. Because when you take your math assessments, you need to show a picture or a strategy. You could do an open number line too. This one's going to take a little longer, and that's okay. Good job, William, but I want to see a picture or a number line. So we're trying to practice for our math assessment next week. Yes, Noah, yes. Whoop, whoop. Dallas, I need to see a picture, love. Good job, Aubrey. She lined up her 10 circles all in a row. Careful, who is that? Careful, Riley. 10 plus 10. Okay, so if I have 10 plus 10, now I'm going to do it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's nice about 10, remember when we used to circle objects and make a group of 10, is I see these are both 10, 10 and 10. So I can count by 10s. 10, 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Be careful. Watch that middle symbol. 8 minus 7 equals unknown. Good job, Josie. 8 minus 7 equals unknown. 8 minus 7. So I need to see this picture in subtraction. We only draw the... Who could tell me? In subtraction, we only draw the...
First number.
First number! That's right, Mackenzie. Good job. In subtraction, we only draw the first number. Don't draw that second number. This is the X's you make. Woo! Alice! Alice is on a roll. Alani, I need to see a picture, girly. That's not a picture. That's an equation. I need to see a picture with circles where you took away 7. Yeah, Jameson. Yes, Allie J. There you go, Riley. Good job. Why do you have a number 9 next to your 1, Riley? I can't hear you, baby. You're muted.
It was a 7.
Oh, a 7? Is it to remind you to take away 7?
Yeah, it's just when I show you my work, it goes on backwards.
What? Oh, to you, yes, but to me, I see it the correct way. Don't worry. Okay? Can you see mine the correct way?
Yes.
Okay. Good job, Jack. Ooh, I love your number line. All right, that's right. So if I had 8 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I would take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would only have 1 left, right? That was hard. Woo! To write like backwards. All right, last one. Are you ready? It's a challenge. $15 minus 9 equals unknown. 15 minus 9 equals unknown. Oh! Abik, you got this.
Miss Cooper.
Abik, you got this.
Miss Cooper.
Yes, Miss Riley.
Well, it's okay if I am allowed to show my sister.
At the end, yeah. At the end. She can come see us at the end. Okay, 15 minus 9 equals unknown.
I'll be able to see the whole day.
15 minus 9 equals unknown. Oh yeah, there it is, Alice. Woo! 15 minus 9. So if I wanted to solve this one, I only draw 15, right? And then I take away 9. So I would draw 15 circles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then the second number in subtraction is what I take away. Woo! Nice number line. Careful though, Jack. You need to go one more hop. You only took away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I look at how many circles I have left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 15 minus 9 equals 6.
Mrs. Cooper.
Yes, sir.
I had to draw a little tiny jump so I could fit 9 in the number line.
Okay, but when you do a number line, so here, I'll do it up on the board real big. So with the number 15, because you're going this way, okay, you want to make sure that you have that room. So you might not have the room, but make sure you're counting each number under a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Whoa, that's not right, Mrs. Cooper. I was thinking 9 in my head, so I wrote the number 9. There we go. So the number you hop to is the number 6. Okay. Alrighty, that's all I have for you for math today.